Hey guys, today we are having Bun Cha for breakfast.
It's Bun Cha, you know Bun Cha. Hello man.
Hello.
So these are my great friends from Isaac in Hanoi, and this is the Bun Cha, the grilled pork with some fish sauce and soy sauce.
This is the papaya, you know the papaya.
They have a lot of papaya and carrots too. And they have a lot of greens like in any Vietnamese meal. This is great for breakfast, and I think the soup really helps because it's very hot and humid in Hanoi. Okay, so this is the real Bun Cha, okay? Yeah. So when you're in Hanoi, you have to try this.
You know the president of the United States is this. This is the real Bun Cha, you know. Barack Obama is it.
Barack Obama.
And he likes it. He loves it, you know.
Oh, that's nice. So yeah, this is Barack Obama certified.
You should feel proud.
We are proud to eat Bun Cha.
Yeah.
Oh, the rice noodles is very good. It's a bit stickier, maybe because you eat it alone. The meat has a lot of bite to it. Not very chewy. It's really delicious. Just a little bit of spice. Okay. Nice, quite cheap. I guess this is the best breakfast for young adults and children. Alright guys, see you later.
See you later. Okay, so place for
Yeah. Hey guys, so we also add a lot of chili and garlic to this to add some more flavor. And last time I guess I was eating it a little wrong. You're supposed to take the rice. You can even cut it up with the scissors. And yeah, this tastes much better. Along with some pork and some greens. This tastes really good. Oh bro, they have an entire plant here. I'm not able to
enjoy it.
It's a huge plant.
I don't know what is it in English, you know, I don't know.
Peppermint.
Peppermint? No.
Yeah, and we also have some other meat here, the meatballs with what looks like seaweed on top. Wow, this is the best one. Feels like tonkatsu. Yeah, it's the best.
So what do you call it?
Alright, time for some matcha milk tea.
Yeah, hello man. Cheers. Oh my god. Okay.
Alright.
I hope I can see the video.
Yeah, of course.
Hope it has million of views.
I hope so. Bro, this is awesome. I always like tea in Vietnam, really good. But this one, the matcha with the milk is something special, bro.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's very flavorful, only a bit sweet, and it's very cold, so it's good for the weather. Yeah. And I think this jelly is very famous among little kids. Looks like dolphins.
Yeah, dolphin.
Not very sweet, but that's good jelly, man.
Good jelly.
Wow. Really awesome, man.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm at the old quarters of Hanoi. As you can see, this is the Cathedral, and I'm a few minutes from my classes, but I ordered some Bun Cha and honey, some Bun Cha and honey lemon tea, because I hope it keeps the cold away. I thought Bun Cha was the Sufi flavor, but I guess you also have the normal one. I think all this is minced pork. There's a lot of rice noodles and the fish sauce. What tastes like radish. Not very spicy, but I guess this one's worth a try. Got hungry drinking the tea. Guess that must be a good appetizer. Alright, first let's test the noodles. Wow. The noodle form, it's really exquisite. It's extremely soft, fluffy, and maybe they use some baking soda for this, because this has that amazing smooth texture to it. Let me try the pork. Tastes just like pork cutlet, your regular tonkatsu. And there seems to be some sauce here. I didn't notice it here. See. Something very mild. I guess something that has some fish sauce in it. But I want to say the smooth noodles and the pork cutlets. I guess this is a wonderful snack for the evening. I wouldn't share this dish with anyone, so I'm kind of not inviting anyone now. Join me. Right, see you guys later. So normally they mix everything together, so even the noodles, the herbs go together. I have not had such a delicious meal in front of a church or any place of worship for that matter. Highly recommended the Bun Cha of Hanoi. See you guys later. Hey guys, we're back in Hanoi and we're having bun dao for brunch. So normally no one has this for breakfast, but going back from a flight, I think we don't have an option. So we have the fish sauce. I added some chili and comfort juice. We also have mamtam sometime. So there is this nice pork here at the center of the dish, and a lot of rice noodles just cut like cake, and of course a lot of greens, there's cucumber and fried tofu, which is the main side of this dish. And also it has the spring roll, deep fried, with also some meat inside, and we have some sausage fried. Maybe this has the innards of pork.
Chè cháo. Bún đậu ạ. Bây giờ đưa luôn à? Một suất đầy đủ.
Pretty plain, pretty fresh. The rice is very springy, but it's not very chewy enough to make it taste bad on its own. Just soaking up all that nice fish sauce. I'm too tired for this now. It's chopstick. I'm sure this place is worth all the extra money. Oh, pork is very delicious. Very plain and very well cooked. It still has the bite to it. So it goes really well. Oh, it's gotta be one of the best fried tofu I had. I've had some in a small eatery before, but this one is so delicious. Melts in your mouth. I had to take another one. Sausage is preserved full. Somehow this one feels very fresh. Because this was fried by the lady before serving to us, and man, I feel so back alive. This one is really good, guys. I guess all spring rolls are good in Vietnam, but this one was something nice. The pepper was very flaky and crispy. Not like a dessert, but more like a small snack. And all the extra veggies inside with the crushed meat gave it the perfect punch. Okay then, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast with my green tea. Because you can see from the suntan that I was in Hoi An yesterday and I had dehydrated too much. So I'm gonna stop now. See? Yeah, so I'm gonna taste this charcoal. Okay, it's pork with some flour around it. It was fried very well. Not much spices, but this goes very well with this dish. The bun cha rice. So yeah, see you guys. Matan hai. Hey guys, wait. this?